What is going on, guys? Welcome in this new video on tech tutorials 1, 2, 3, 4. In this video we're going to show you how to buy the Mines of Dalarnia token on Coinbase. So for the first step you will need a Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, then simply click on the link in the description to sign up for Coinbase and get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. For the next step we need to log into our account, and after that you will arrive at this homepage. So then we go to the search bar right on top and just type in DAR. And there you will see the coin Mines of Dalarnia. Click on that and now you'll arrive at this token page. And for the next step we will need to fill in the amount of tokens or fiat you want to use for this purchase. Let's say we want to buy for 1000 euros. And then we can click on review order. After that you will see the review of your order, and as you can see we are paying a transaction fee amount. If you don't want to pay this amount of fee, then you can simply use this Coinbase One subscription. You can use it for free for 7 days, and you will save yourself the transaction fee every time you make a trade on Coinbase. Definitely try that out because it saves you a lot of money every day. And after that, once you have decided to buy this coin, click on buy now and the coins will automatically be added to your assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers!